Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. Alright, I'm not even going to pretend I'm going to do some sort of weird, serious movie, deep voice intro thing, but Mark's car is done. It's all wired up. It had a complete rewire by Wax Shack and ready to go for a drag week and other preparation, including many things I've highlighted in other videos, like fuse panels and wiring and relays and all sorts of important things. Most notably, he rewired everything underneath the passenger seat and put disconnects on everything, labeled everything. Extensive work. I should put a link to the video where he does all that in the description. And if I don't, feel free to flame me until I do. That's what you guys do best. And I expect that from you at this point. So thank you. Please enjoy this wastegate hit on, 8 pounds of boost or so, and it makes 700 and some fucking horsepower on pump ethanol just to start the day. We made a hit in the middle here on 13 pounds, and it made like 958 horsepower on 13 pounds. So then right after that, we bumped it to like the 19-20 pound range, and here we go.
Feel it in your chest. It's awesome. Straight in-laws, right? Yeah.
Now, Mark does not have his Mickey Pros on the car. They are older Gen 1s that actually spun, so I lifted early, and even spinning and lifting early, it made 1,100 horsepower on 19 pounds of boost on pump ethanol. This thing is retarded. It's ready to rock.